Have nothing in your houses that you do not know to be useful or believe to be beautiful. William Morris. Hello, this is Barbara Hemphill. If I were quoting that, I would add, or love. What you love, you preserve. There are so many tools available to support your clutter campaign, and what works best for someone you know may not work for you at all. This is the time to discover exactly the right items and equipment to match your style of thinking and operating. Once you have the perfect match of tool for each task, you are more likely to continue your campaign. There is, of course, no magic system or product that is right for every home or office. Devise a system you can love, and you'll reduce clutter enormously. This magic comes not because you have increased the efficiency of the system, but because you have decreased your resistance to preserving, protecting, and maintaining it. You have made yourself an offer you don't want to refuse. Here are 6 options for you to explore. 1. Select what you need every day. Anything you use often should be within arm's reach of where you need that item. Imagine that there's a video camera in the corner of each of your rooms and review your activities for a day. Identify 2 to 5 items that need to be moved to make your day flow more smoothly and conveniently. These items could be as small as your stamps or as large as your desk. 2. Contain those items efficiently and aesthetically. What storage item would best suit your way of arranging things? Do you prefer baskets, files, drawers, doors, canisters, open shelves? Look through some magazines or tour an office or organizing store and select the items you like to use. Picture, describe, or sketch a few of them on this page. 3. Arrange elements in a system that works for you. How do you like to arrange the storage pieces you use? What would your ideal garage storage area look like? Your ideal closet, your ideal pantry? Pick one area and create your preferred system. 4. Support your system with technology. Identify and list 3 to 5 sources of clutter campaign frustration. Ask people you know if they have discovered any solutions. Take your list to one of the technology stores and see if they can offer solutions. Find your best way to keep an address book, a household inventory, children's school and health records. The best solution for you can range from simple to sophisticated. Just be sure it's right for you. 5. Find tools you enjoy using. Add sleek styling or playful zest to the tools you select. If they make you smile or glow inside, it is more likely you will use them regularly. List below 3 of the most helpful tools you are currently using and 3 you've appreciated for many years. Remember, tools can include methods, systems, bribes, motivation, and support that help you get started and keep you on track. 6. Let go of anything that fails the 3-question test. Remember again, the 3 questions for any item in your life. Is it useful? Is it beautiful? And do you love it? List 2 to 3 items in your surroundings that meet each of the above tests. Unless an item meets one of those standards, get rid of it. If it meets 2 of them, take good care of it. If it meets all 3, treasure it and appreciate it as a gift of good fortune. Thanks for listening.